Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can successfully start dropshipping on eBay.com. In today's video, we're going to look at the strategies that you can effectively use to scale your business if you're not already on eBay. And if you're coming on eBay right now, we're going to talk about what you need to do and how you need to do it. We're going to go in great detail and talk about the different elements that is crucial for you to understand. One of the major things that you need to keep in mind is how can you actually find the right product that you want to sell on eBay. And that is one of the most crucial elements because a lot of time people don't understand what they need to get. And eBay.com is a platform where you can buy, where you can trade, where you can sell, where you can auction, and the endless opportunities that you have to become successful is at your fingertips. All you need to do is understand exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it. There's so many categories available on eBay. You got electronics, you got motors, fashion, collectibles and art, sports, health and beauty, industrial equipment, home and garden, and different deals as well. Now, one of the major things which I need you guys to understand that whenever you start drop shipping, you need to understand the limitations. Limitations are things that hinder you to enter a particular market, for example, as gender, as age, as location, as weather. So the main thing you need to do is understand that you need to select a product that breaks through the limitations. For example, there are different products for different age groups, there are different products for different genders, there are different products for different regions and countries. So how can you select a product that is evergreen, that can be sold throughout the year, that doesn't make any difference if it's a male, it's a female, if someone buys it who's 60 or 80 or 100 or 20 or 50, it doesn't make a difference if they're in Australia or in New Zealand or in South Africa or America or even Canada for that matter. Everyone is going to be using it, and that is electronics, guys. And I absolutely love the electronics category, and the reason for this is because it breaks through the limitations, meaning anyone that has a cell phone is going to be using the accessories. And obviously it doesn't make a difference if it's summers or winter, you'll definitely be using a phone. And the good thing about it from a seller's perspective, that if you buy it at a low price at a particular moment in time, you can always sell it later on. And that is the reason why I always recommend individuals to go for a particular category in the actual niche of electronics. It could be anything, but remember, guys, even electronics, you got to make sure that if you're starting drop shipping, to start off on a low cost, you want to keep your fixed costs as minimum possible so you can increase your profit margin. As time goes on and you develop your business, then you can always gradually scale your business and start making money, and obviously select different products that are in this particular niche. I personally love these cell phones, smartwatches, and accessory ones, and in particular there are two elements I would highly recommend for you guys to go for. One is the cell phone cases, the other is the cell phone cables and adapters. The cell phone cases is very interesting, guys, because the actually entry into the market is considerably low, and you don't have to put a lot of money and a lot of effort into it. All you need to do is understand exactly what you need to do it, and that is what I'm showing you. There are 4.2 million results, meaning there's so many individuals selling this particular product. Now, once you have selected a product, what you need to do is quite simple and straightforward. Head over to the Sellers Hub, and once you get to the Sellers Hub, reach and head over to research. Now, research is very interesting, guys. Any successful dropshipping business does extensive research in selecting the products that they're going to sell. And the difference for the success is based upon the principle of the amount of research that you spend on doing in finding the right product. And this is one of the things that you need to understand. Let's search for phone cases and let's see in the last 1 year what kind of sales this particular item was doing and who was selling what and how much it was selling for. The average price that was sold for was $10.95. The average shipping price was $4.91. 91% was offering free shippings. There were 1.6 million phone cases that were sold. There were 38,748 total sellers and a total sale of $17.6 million. And if you just look at the graph over here, you can clearly see that this product was being sold every single day throughout the year. That, my friends, is an evergreen product. The graph clearly shows that there is an interest for this product. People want to buy this product, and this product is being bought by a lot of individuals throughout the years. So now let's look at some of the sales that people did. This particular seller made $284,000. This particular seller made $90,000, and they sold it for $8.82, and they sold $10,209. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see individuals making $59, $54, $45, $32, $41, $26, $28, $31,000 $1 guys in 1 year from one product. Imagine if they have a couple of products available, they could easily convert and make $1 million just off eBay.com. And obviously they know exactly what they want to do and how they want to do it. So let's check out this particular product and see what kind of product this is. This is for an iPhone 14, and if you look at the pictures, this is what it looks like. Now obviously they're selling it for $4.93. So how much would they actually buy this product for? Because they want to make a profit on it. So if they sold $293,000, that's not the profit, guys. That's what they have sold. So if you actually check out how much profit they've made just off this one product, you need to head over to aliexpress.com. Now aliexpress.com is where you can find a lot of bargains. So let's search for phone cases and see how much the phone cases are for on aliexpress.com. Now as we search for phone cases, what we want to do is see this particular phone case. Now as you can see the prices of these phone cases that are available. Now you can clearly see that this product over here, which is very similar to the product that's being sold, is for $1.99 and 26,883 have been sold. This product is for $1.79 and 12,196 have been sold. This is a product for $1.36 and 13,746 have been sold. So clearly if they buy it at this price and then they sell it at this particular price, they can make a massive profit on it. But the story doesn't end over there, guys, because you can get it from AliExpress and you can sell it from AliExpress and make a profit on it. So if you think for a fact that they actually called it for $2 and they sold it for $5, you multiply this by 3 and then you'll see that they made at least $1 million just off this product. But guys, is there any other place that we can find it even cheaper? There is. It's Alibaba.com. Now on Alibaba.com, if you search for phone cases, what you're gonna get is gonna astonish you guys. And this is where the main money is. If you understand the methodology, the actual step-by-step way to find out the products, then you can make a lot of money on it. And that is what I'm showing you guys. Now as we search for phone cases, you'll see all these elements that are available. For example, this is for $1.66. This is for 78 cents, guys. This is $1.58. Let's find something even further and cheaper to get, and obviously understand that the amount of element that is available that you can actually scale is unlimited. If you look at this particular element, this is for 10 cents, guys. You can easily get this for 10 cents. Now as you can clearly see, you have this phone case for 40 cents, guys. Let's open this up right now and check this particular phone case out. Now this phone case is something that you can get for 40 cents. This is very similar to the phone case that we were buying for $1.99, and this is similar to the phone case that's being sold for $5. Imagine if you can get this particular phone case for 40 cents and you sell it for $5, you're making at least more than $1 million off this one product. And guys, at the end of the day, that is where the main money is, and that is how you scale your business. Now if you got any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. And if you haven't shared this video with your friends and family, share this video with your friends and family so more people can find out how they can start their dropshipping business on eBay.com. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.